everyone, in this video I'll demonstrate how to perform basic arithmetic operations, sort data, and create charts in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. First, I'm entering some sample data. In column A, I entered 10 numbers, which is the grade. Let's say 95, 96, 94, 92, 93, 98, 97, 96, 92, and 95. In column B, I've entered corresponding name of the students. Name of students. Michelle, Joy, Angel, Yael, Ayen, Tina, Kelly, Baby, Julie, and Leia. Now, let's perform some arithmetic operations. In column C, I'll calculate the sum of grades using the formula. In addition, I use the equals sum, open parentheses, A1 and A10. A1, A10. Close parentheses, enter. In subtraction, enter the equals A5 minus A11. In multiplication, equals A4 A9 equals A2 slash A11 10. So we've done in arithmetic operations. Let's move on inserting data. Now I select column A, then here in data, sort current selection. Yes. And column B, again select all, then data, sort current selection. Let's create a chart using the grades from column A and B. Then select and go to the Insert tab. Insert chart. Pie or bar, area, line, but I choose pie. Then here in chart elements, insert the title, which is my name, Baby. Then finish. Then add the insert data labels. And that's it. We've successfully perform basic arithmetic operations, sorted data, and created a chart in Excel. That's all. Thank you for watching.